Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell that comes right after subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much. I love you. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this cake right here. It is so sweet and so spongy. So stay tuned, you cannot miss on this. Okay, now I'm going to separate my egg whites from my egg yolks, and for this case I'm going to use only 3 eggs. I'm then going to start beating my egg whites until they are frothy enough. To check if your egg whites are ready, you turn the bowl upside down, and when they're not pour, when they what do I use there? When they cannot move now, you know that they are ready enough. Now that they are ready, I'll put that aside and take my other bowl and start mixing the other ingredients. I will then add butter to my bowl. I will beat my butter for at least 3 minutes. That is when I feel that it's ready enough. Yeah. And then after that, I will start adding my sugar, and I will add my sugar in bits. Like I will add and beat, add and beat. Yeah, that way. That is the best way to add your sugar. After I have added all of it, I will continue beating until the mixture becomes pale. And you know I've not used powdered sugar, so it will not be as pale as the one that powdered sugar is used. English is becoming a problem. I will then add my egg yolks. I will add all of them and beat that together. Continue beating that until it has that consistency that you love, and then start adding your flavors. And for this case, I am going to use lemon juice, lemon. That is from freshly picked lemons. Okay. To that, I will add flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I will sieve that in, as you can see. I will then take my spatula and mix everything together. I do not encourage beating here, so continue mixing everything and then take your egg whites, add them to your mixture and continue mixing that all together with your spatula. Just make sure everything merges well, and with that your mixture will be ready. Now take your baking tin, mine is ready. I applied butter on it and flour, and add your mixture. Do not skip any process that you see me do so that your cake will appear just like mine. And after you've added everything, just bake that for 45 to 50 minutes at 180, okay? After 45 minutes, my cake was so ready and I love it already. Oh my god. I never waited for mine to cool, but it is so advisable to wait for yours to cool before you start serving it. So I just placed mine in my tray. Okay, and it's so spongy. Let me show you. Can you see that? It is so spongy. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure you subscribe. Please do not go without subscribing. If you feel that it can help your friends too and your family, make sure you share it with them and let them get help as well. Like this video if you liked it and comment down below what you think about this video, about this cake, and whatever you want to see, whatever videos you want to see next. Okay? I love you all. That's it for this video. So bye. Do not forget to subscribe.